There's a place that you already know. Close your eyes and you're ready to go right now. Over the clouds. Zooming in, get into the flow. Every day it's a magical show with Professor Busta, Lynn, and Leolino. Here we come now, waking up your life. Such a lift, the glow that you feel, like a dream, but the magic is real. What you know, it's all gonna change tonight, tonight. Come with us, 'cause we're taking a ride. Watch us fly, 'cause we're rocking the sky. Way up high, and you know we're not coming down, into fairy town.
High above the clouds, here close to the stars, you'll find the home of the Tooth Fairies. At some point in time, the Tooth Fairies will come to visit you.
Okay, steady everyone. Why have we landed on water?
So this is the tropical rainforest of the Amazon, where the giant trees are as tall as city skyscrapers.
But so where are the children then, Professor?
We have to be very careful, very careful. These people have never seen strangers. The rainforest covers 2% of the Earth's surface and is home to 80% of the Earth's species.
But so far, Professor, all we've seen is a giant green frog. Oh no, look, there are some people over there.
Yay!
Don't be afraid, it's Lobo. He is Akai's friend. They'll fetch us some rata to clean our teeth after we finished eating.
They are fetching rata. Does it really grow that close by? So you brought us some seashells too. Thank you, Akai. They're beautiful.
Thank you, Lobo. See you soon. Come with me. Now we need some twigs. Excuse me, Bush, but we need some of your twigs.
Is this enough? Why don't we take more?
No, it's important to never take more than you need. That way the bush can recover. We might need his help another day. Thanks very much for your help, Bush. And sorry, we have to go now.
A little bit more to the left. And now that's right. I said more to the left. And now straight ahead. That's good. Keep it up, you two. We are nearly at the shore.
Perhaps our captain could help with the paddling instead of just giving us directions. Left, right, left.
We're there.
Thank you, Water Lily, for your help. Bye-bye.
Brush, 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 3 times a day. When they fall out, we take them away.
Oh, I've got it. Maybe we could just fly down.
Do you expect us to sprout wings? That's what comes of having a bat for a friend, you stupid boy. We got here first.
But wait a minute, Papa. Aren't those...
Teeth! Giant teeth, you idiot! What else could they be? Don't leave any behind.
Times a day, waking up feeling great.